bitch, I'm a dog, I'm rocking my jaw. Roll up your life and I'm taking it off. Riding with shooters, I'm gripping new Ruger. I run through your hood and I aim the bazooka. Fuck with the 9, I never think twice. Talking that shit, then you paying the price. Creep out the pen and I'm taking your life. If you fuck with my clique, then you dying tonight.
Sit your ass down, pussy boy. Thinking that you tough, but you ain't, pussy boy. Tryna catch my fate, we can win it, pussy boy. I'll get your ass down, got you begging, pussy boy. This in the pit, you get hit, pussy boy. Run through your pockets, you shit, pussy boy. Now I'm out of 6 and you skip, pussy boy.
Great 5-9 with a fleet, pussy boy. Ayy, kite, strap, mine. Kick it in your house and I'm taking everything. Cock your hammer back and I'm running to your brain. I keep up your bitch ass and fuck up your frame. Rise up, I'm flying to rip buses. I'm hanging their bodies and causing this records. I don't give a fuck cause there is none above us. I roast in the bed and nobody can touch us. I'm riding with Zeus, your bitch getting wet. She all on my niggas, she sucking on it. But I am the shit. She ODS and we all in this bitch. Give me all your shit. Dig in the grave, put your body in it. Do not fuck with it.
Taking off the motherfucking set.
Demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking, demons taking, demons taking, demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking over me, going another killing spree. Demons taking over me, going another killing spree.
Smoking up the finest booty from the tree, rolling through, make a scene, feel a murder to the first degree, shooting at the rapid speed. When these demons taking over me, I'm the only one looking as your enemy. Gon' catch you slipping, gripping on some anti-gorilla militia cannibalism, ripping up through your blood. So what? Spark up another blunt when these hoes vibing to this joint. Switches when the bass knocking in the trunk. First thing I do is hit the corner stove.